It's for somebody pretty important to me. It's come to my knowledge. She's been sitting on one of these guys. You can't really see because it's dark. Jasmine's, or excuse me, Luna's. She's been sitting on a Luna that her dad gave her. Afraid to touch it because it looks expensive or whatever. It's an expensive guitar, but there's a sound you can't replicate. And this is no amp that I'm playing right now. Typical elixirs, mediums. I'm not even going light elixirs because I'll break them shits. But I'm not gonna edit this. I'm not gonna like practice it. I've already written it out in theory. So I want you to see that playing, it's not fluid ever until you get the song figured out. When you get the song figured out, you're on to the next one anyway. I think a lot of people get discouraged with the stops and the breaks and the confusion and having to start over and retune and all that shit. It's part of it. It's one of the better parts of it actually. You learn so much more in the offbeats than you do when you're actually doing things right. So, theater. It's the exact same guitar you got on different color. That's it. See? Fuck up. It's easy. It happens. You don't put it down. Always keep it. Just keep going. It's fine. Move it around, get it comfortable. Make sure you're in tune. You just gotta fuck with it. Find something you like, you retune it. Just keep going at it, keep sticking to that part of it that stuck with you, that hit you in that weird spot. So, even when you like don't know what you're doing, just Luna sounds incredible. This guitar was made by Dean. I just found that out actually, and I've had this guitar for a year now. It's my favorite guitar. It's the only one you guys haven't seen. Well, custom painted pick art on there. You can't see it, but an artist did it. Bought it from a local shop. It's a beautiful guitar. It sounds great. Holds a tune. And the fact that you've got it sitting in a box, you know. I kind of knew your dad, and he wouldn't be having it. You know what I mean? On top of that, even if you do take it out and you smash it over somebody's head, Who style, he'd probably be all about that shit too. You know? Don't just give somebody a guitar unless they're supposed to play it. And I really do hope you can reconsider. Go out in the woods somewhere, fucking sit in your headphones. They make these little things called iRigs. You plug it into your tablet, your phone, whatever. You plug it into your headphones, nobody can hear you. Sit there, figure it out, start playing with it, start messing with it. Pass it on to your kids if you give up on it. But, you know, it's finding this for $10, whatever it was one of the greatest things ever. You know, it actually started all the other stuff. It got me playing again after I lost my mind for a minute there. You know, you should not have something like this under your bed. Anyway, keep playing with it. Don't give up on your Lunas. These were hot shit once upon a time. Alright, I love you guys. Take it out of the case. I'm not fucking with you.